Hello guys, at welcome sa last part ng ating Zadia, kung saan isi-share ko naman ang amenities ng ating condominium complex. Una na dito is safety, since we are gated community and has 24/7 security services. Sa loob ng ating mga building ay may lobby tayo sa first floor at may other common features of every condo. Sa labas ay may 2 outdoor multipurpose court tayo na open for other sports. May gazebos din na pwede for gathering. Lahat ng ito ay located near here in Tower 1. Pero hindi lang yon, dahil magkakaroon din tayo ng clubhouse, covered basketball court, and swimming pool at the heart of these 4 towers. At kung gusto pa natin ng other places to hang out ay maraming malls and parks na malapit sa atin. Malapit din tayo sa Tagaytay at 6 to 10 minutes drive to Eton exit ng SLEX. Kaya tara na, and let's live with Greenspiration. Here in Zadia. That's our last minute at hanggang sa muli.